Oh my God. Becky, look at her. Sorry, Glam Crew. I was about to get into it, but let's keep it a little professional. Today, we are in Lululemon, and I am going to try on some leggings. As you can tell, this pair is extra, ultra stretchy. If you have some junk in the trunk, it is going to fit. The leggings are going to stay in place. So I recommend these for everyday wear, going to the gym, and just feeling and looking your best. It's going to suck it all in, hold it all in. If you got mommy tummy, all of that, all of that. On my channel, we like to keep everything positive here. We like to appreciate and love on our body no matter the size, shape, or color. I don't have a perfect body, but hey, I'm loving and appreciating what I have. If you do not love and appreciate it, and if you want to be negative, please leave my page. All right? Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Welcome, 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 Glam Crew. Let's get into this video. So right now, I am wearing Fashion Nova leggings. Every time I go on Fashion Nova, they seem to be out or do not have my size. So we are going to try out some other leggings, and I hear Lululemon has the leggings. Now, are these leggings affordable? It depends on your budget. It depends on your budget. So stay tuned, watch the full video. I will put in detail the style of legging that I'm trying on, the size that I am trying on, and I will also show you the price of each legging that I'm going to try on. My measurements are in the description box, but I'll tell you now, I am 5'8", 225 pounds, and I don't know exactly what my measurement, like the inches, like hips, breast, all of that off the top of my head. I'm sorry, y'all, but it is all in the description box for you to check, so that it'll make it easier when you are shopping online or if you are shopping for someone else. And I did talk with one of the workers, and she told me that they have extended sizes online. So if you are bigger than a 14, then go online and you may find your size. Now, this first pair of shorts, I love how it has the under mesh under it. It has like that mesh lining, and it also has like a little panty lining. I don't know if this is what you would call the panties in the shorts, but it does have that extra support back there. Unfortunately, there are no side pockets, but as an extra beautiful feature, there is a back pocket right behind you. So you can put your phone in there and your keys. Not too much space, but you do have that little pocket in the back. Now these are going to be, they are shorts. They are really short, but as you all see, I am moving around and they are not riding up. They stayed in place. So these shorts I highly recommend, especially for in the gym or just lounging around in the house, because they are very comfortable and you don't have to keep worrying about pulling them down. Now, this pair of leggings did have some dirt on it. And I didn't get this pair because they are super, super compressing. But I wonder if I had gotten them and showed them at the register that they had some dirt on them, if they would have gave me a little bit of a discount. Don't be stealing their shit. Don't be stealing their shit. Okay? Yeah, I had to stop and remind y'all they got beepers and tags on it. So I'm showing y'all the prices. If this is not in your budget, wait until it's in your budget, then go in there. But don't go in there still in there. Glam Crew. Okay. But like I was saying about these leggings, they are super compressing. Now, if you are trying to like compress, then these are the leggings you get. The worker told me that they are double lined and they were hard to get up. They were so tight right here, pulling up on my ankles. I believe these are the leggings that got me hot, sweaty, and worked up because by the third pair, I was sweating and I almost could not take it in this dressing room. It was hot. I didn't even try on everything because I was sweating, and it takes a lot for me to sweat. Now these leggings, like I said, they were double lined. I don't know what inch they was, but y'all see the tag. I flashed y'all the tag. Pause it so y'all can look at the tag and see if this is what you like. It does not have any pockets. I'm not feeling any pockets on the side or anywhere. But yeah. Oh, and y'all are going to see me talking and everything because I'm on the other phone talking to my best friend as I try these on. And I'm looking in the mirror like, is this going to work? Let me pull this little wedgie out. Like, pull it up a little bit more. Got to wiggle up in there. Yeah, you're going to have to wiggle to get in these leggings. But once they are on, they fit really nice and they stay in place. These leggings, I like how the top part is not rolling down. Some of my leggings, they roll down and it's like very unappealing. I hate having to keep pulling them up, pulling them up. Like, I get a workout by just pulling them up and pulling them up. Glam Crew. I love this beautiful soft pink, definitely giving spring color vibes, and it is really, really soft. The material feels like butter. Let me know in the comments what you think. Do you like these leggings? Do you think they're a good fit? Where else do you suggest I grab and try some more leggings? Let me know. Let me know in the comments. If you are not subscribed, what are you doing? Go ahead and hit the subscribe button right now. Give this video a like, a thumbs up, hype the video. Thank you. I appreciate you so much. Let's keep the try on hauls coming, but I need y'all to drop in the comments. Let me know that you like the video, the colors. Let me know. Okay, Glam Crew? Thank you. Let's look at these blue leggings. Again, these was tight on my ankles. I don't know if I was bloated that day, if I've been eating a lot of salt, but my ankles these was just tight on my ankles, y'all. Like, woo, look, I had to take a break because it was getting hot. Okay, so I believe these leggings are going to be high rise because once I did get them up, they felt really, really high. And I like the supportive high rise in it and how they stay put into place. Because sometimes I just need that extra compression to like hold me in securely. And these are going to do it without feeling so restraining like the light pink ones. As you can see, after I get them pulled up, how they fit nicely. They fit snug, but not too snug. These are a size 14. Perfect for going to the gym. You can squat down in here in these leggings. Nothing is falling out and coming out of place. They are seamless and smooth. You got the ankle cut. I can't show y'all because I didn't move my camera down, but it's the ankle cut. My camera is just sitting up on a tripod. So if I'm not getting different angles, I'm sorry, but they do go all the way to my ankles. These are going to sculpt your backside really smooth. It doesn't have any extra material in it, but it just does what it needs to do some type of way. And I do not see my hip dips. So I love it. Let me know in the comments. I know everybody can't have a perfect bum, but these are giving off perfect bum. That's how I feel with those light blue ones. Let's try on some brown leggings. You know, you can't go wrong with brown. brown coordinates well with everything. You can put a black top, white top, brown and blue looks really, really good together. So I figured a brown pair would be easy to mix and match with everything that I already got at home. And to add, these leggings are moisture wicking. So if you are going to the gym or doing like hot yoga, hot Pilates, it's going to suck away all of that sweat and you won't have those horrible sweat stains. So I love it. I was putting these leggings to the test by this point in the video because it was so hot in the dressing room. So hot. Like the jackets that I had to the side, I didn't get a chance to try them on because at this point, I was ready to go eat and sip on me a cool bottle of water. Not cold, but cool. Anybody else like their water room temperature or chilled slightly, but not cold? Drop in the comments. I hope I'm not the only person that likes their water that way. And when you're putting on your leggings, pull them up inch by inch. This helps them get all the way up and prevents them from falling and rolling down. Okay, so pulling these leggings up, I almost messed up a nail. Y'all know I got my little press-ons. My nail almost acted like it wanted to come off, but once I got these up, oh my goodness. They fit so perfect. So perfect. The texture is nice and smooth on these leggings. The material is not too shiny. Some leggings are really, really shiny. These are like nice and smooth, not shiny. I wish this came in like a flared or boot cut look because that would look super cute. But these are like ankle style, ankle length, ankle style. Is that how we calling them? Okay, I don't know. But the band is wide. These are super high rise and they are not going anywhere. I'm moving around, I'm stretching, I'm shaking. Nothing is coming out of place. The leggings stay up. This is a good pair of leggings. I'm very highly satisfied with this pair of leggings. Definitely get this style in all colors. It's very supportive. It helps sculpt you. Like, I look super, super slim. Now, granted, you can see my little butt dimple a little bit, but who cares? I'm not perfect. I love and appreciate my body. Okay? I can go to the gym, work it out some more. I can go back to DR, get plastic surgery. Do whatever makes you happy as long as you are not hurting anyone and not breaking any laws. So boom, I put 2 pair of pants back there. See how stretchy this is? So stretchy. So if you got extra junk in your trunk, these are going to stretch and fit you well. If you got mommy tummy, boom, you're good to go at Lululemon. Now let's do the robot. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Bow, bow, bow. See all this extra moving? And the leggings are not going anywhere. They stayed up on my stomach. So boom, you can be in the gym, working out, running errands, taking a walk in the park, chasing after your kids, your dog, and you don't have to worry about your leggings running away. But it's hot in here, Glam Crew. I gotta go. So thank you for watching. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Bye.